Hello, in this video we're going to discuss one of the applications of radioactivity. Radioactivity can be used in smoke alarms.
A smoke alarm contains a source of alpha particles, usually a radioactive isotope called americium-241.
Why do they use alpha particles in smoke alarms and not beta or gamma radiations? This is because alpha particles can generate ionization to make the air in the gap conduct electricity more than that of beta or gamma radiation. So the beta or gamma radiation could not be used because they do not create enough ions to make the air in the gap conduct electricity. We're going to check this point later in this video.
The detector has an electrical circuit with an air gap between two electrically charged plates. The americium-241 source releases alpha particles. These alpha particles ionize the molecules in the air. So why are alpha particles most likely to cause ionization? Yes, we have discussed this earlier. Alpha particles are highly ionizing because of their double positive charge, large mass as compared to a beta particle, and because they are relatively slow. They can cause multiple ionizations within a very small distance. So since the alpha particle is effectively a helium nucleus, that is 2 protons and 2 neutrons without its 2 valence electrons, as it's highly electron deficient, it will rip electrons from other molecules or atoms to become a stable helium atom. But in taking electrons from another molecule or atom, the alpha particle turns that molecule or atom into a cation, which is a positively charged particle because it just lost its electrons. That's why the alpha particle is known to ionize the molecules in the air. These ionized molecules of the air are attracted to plates with an opposite charge and so allow a small electrical current to flow. As long as this current is flowing, the alarm will not sound. However, when the smoke fills the air gap, the smoke particles slow down the ions. This means that the current flowing across the gap decreases. Hence, the alarm sounds when the current drops below a certain level. This is how the smoke alarm works. That's all. Thanks for watching.